Hello everyone, this is Leanne and welcome to our channel. We have a very exciting video today because look at these guys. These are amazing. These are products for the lips, and yes, if you are interested about this video about lip care, please stay by and please don't forget to click that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we will have a new video. Well guys, now let's move on because I am very excited to share this one to you. This is a new product. This is the first time that we're going to try this one, and these are all organic. Yes, everything organic, and we love organic things, guys. Natural is love. Pure natural organic is love, guys. So let's support this one. And this is the DIADEM Lip Care, and it is organic lip treatment. It has collagen, and it also have HYA, which is very good, and with vitamin E/C. Okay, let's try this one. And guys, they have three, yes, take note, they have 3 ingredients. Wow, ingredients. How do you call that one? Yes, these are the 3. The first one is my favorite drink, which is boba tea or bubble tea. You call it bubble tea, and it is colorless, and it could be used as lip balm, lip mask, and lip scrub. It is anti-aging, moisturizing, and exfoliating, guys. Yes, and it says here the usage is: as a lip balm, use it anytime your lips feel dry. It will moisturize your lips well and make them soft and smooth. By using it regularly, it can fix chapped and cracked lips. As a lip scrub, apply it on your lips. Put some sugar on your lips. Optional, add some honey too. Gently massage or rub your lips with fingertip for 30 seconds. After that, rinse it off and apply the lip balm as usual. Optional also, you can also use sea salt instead of sugar. And note, you should not do lip scrub more than twice a week, and never scrub your lips if your lips are cracked and sore. And as a lip mask, apply thick coat on your lips as well as the lining and edges of your lips before bedtime. Wake up with a well-hydrated lips that are soft, smooth, and attractive. Okay guys, this is perfect because you know I have a problem with my lips. Sometimes it gets so dry, especially if I don't drink enough water, guys, because sometimes you know I forgot to drink water, and that's why it affects also my lips. Okay, now as I've said, we have this one, the bubble tea, and the second one is the peach soda. Peach soda, guys. Yes, look at that. This is peach soda. Okay, it is very clear, I think. And the next one is, this is the first one. This is the bubble tea. And the last one is very interesting, which is the red wine. Okay, now this is all drinks. Okay, now I would like to start this one with the colorless one, which is the bubble tea. The bubble tea is colorless, so when you open that, it would be like this on the side, and you will get this one. Actually guys, this is 6 grams. Okay, so I haven't opened this one yet, so let's try opening it. We are very lucky, guys. We are the first one to get a hold of this product. It smells really like bubble tea, you know, the the brown sugar bubble tea. It's just like that. Okay, so you will get this much product. Okay, so that's a lot. Wow. Okay, that much. It's a lot, guys. Okay, now let's put it down, guys, because I want to try this one. I'm excited to try this. Okay, so smells so good. I want to drink it. I want to eat it. Okay, so let's put it on our lips, because see, if you can see, I will show you first my lips closely. Closely, guys. Okay. I think that is the closest that you can get of my lips. See, it is dry, and okay, see, just look at that. So now if we're going to apply that here, ooh, it is very, very smooth. Yes, so this is my first time to use this, and I think it can really moisturize your lips because it is very smooth, it is colorless, and it smells so good. Like, I want to eat it. Yeah, so that's how it looks when you first apply that. This is colorless. So now let's move on to the peach soda. Okay, know that you're back. Don't look. So this is organic as well. This is I love this one because it has collagen, and it also have vitamin E and C, which is very essential to our body skin care, and might as well lip care, guys. So here, okay, so I'm gonna try it. This one has color. Okay, I'm not gonna show you how much product it is because it's just the same with the bubble tea. It is also 6 grams. Okay, so this it smells like peach. Okay, so now because there is a bubble tea on my lips right now, I have to remove that. Okay, give me a second. Okay, has it been a second already? We already removed the bubble tea from our lips. Now it is time to try the, look at that, guys. Ooh, focus please. Yes, Diadem. That one. We're going to try these on our lips. You wanna come too? You wanna come too? You wanna come closer? Okay, come closer, guys. So let's try it. There's some. Okay, now let's apply it. This one has color. Okay, which is very good. Smells so good, guys. It smells so good. All right, so this is the peach soda. It has a color, guys, and I love it. It's not too red. It's just perfect, and it is very moist. It smells so good, like you want to drink it, guys. So you must try this one too. Let's now take this off because I want to try the last one, which is for me the best one, which is the red wine. Yes, guys, I'm not a wine drinker, but I want to try this one. This is very, very interesting for me. Okay. So even if you take it off, you can feel that your lips is still moisturized, guys. It is very, very soft. Oh, wow. And you will not feel guilty because this is organic. Yes, this is organic, and you can use this one as your lip balm, lip mask, and a lip scrub all in one. All in one lip care, guys. So grab this one now, and I will link in the description below the page of this of where you can get this one from the Diadem company. Diadem company. All right, so this is it for the red wine. Yes, so you know, guys, that nowadays I haven't put lipstick because I always wear mask, and because of that, and I don't have also moisturizer for my lips, and that's why I get chaps all the time when it's too cold and it's too hot. So this is perfect for us. Oh, smell this. This is amazing. It smells so good. I think you should get this one too. I think all of it. You should get all of it. You should get all of it, guys. Okay, one thing that I love about this product is the smell. It smells amazing. Okay, so as you can see already, this is way darker than peach soda. All right, so let's try to put this on. There you go. All right, so see, this is the product, and let's try to put it on. You can see that one. All right, even a small amount, guys, goes way far. Look at that. Okay, I want to touch it with my finger. It's okay. I want to spread it evenly on my lips. Oh, that is beautiful. I have a brown complexion, and I think for me, the color that really fits me are this kind of color, guys, the darker one, because pink, I don't look good in pink. I suggest for the men, you use this bubble tea, since this is colorless. And yes, guys, even men needs to have a lip care so that your wife, your girlfriend will love to, smooch you, kiss you. So that's why for men, I suggest you have to get the bubble tea. And also, if you are like me with a brown complexion, I suggest that you should get the red wine. Look at that. Yes, this is the red wine on my lips right now. Yes, and the Diadem also, if you just want neutral color, just like natural lip color, guys. So try this one, guys. Now that's it for our video, and don't forget, guys, to click the link on the description below for the link of this product, where you can get this product, guys. Smells so good. The link of the page. All right, guys, so thank you so much, and this is it for today. Come back for more next time, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to be kind to everyone, and don't forget to pray for each other. God bless. Bye bye.